Welcome to our English Flow podcast channel. Good morning, Tom. Welcome back. It is your second day.
Good morning, Linda. Yes, it is my second day. I am happy to be here.
How are you feeling today? Are you ready to start work?
I am feeling good, but I have a small problem.
What is the problem? Can I help you?
Yes, please. I cannot turn on my computer. The screen is black.
Ah, I see. Did you press the power button?
I pressed the button on the screen, but nothing happened.
You need to press the power button on the computer box under the desk.
Oh, I see it now. Let me try. Okay, it is making a sound. The light is on.
Good. Now wait for the screen to turn on.
It is working now. I see the Windows logo. Thank you, Linda.
You are welcome. Now you need to log in. Do you have your information?
I have a piece of paper here. Is this my username?
Yes, your username is usually your first name and your last name. Let me look.
It says tom.smith.
That is correct. Type tom.smith in the box.
Okay, tom.smith. Now I need a password.
Your temporary password is on the paper too. It is usually welcome123.
Let me try. WELCOME 123. Enter.
Did it work?
No, it says incorrect password.
Check the paper again. Is the W a big letter or a small letter?
It is a big W, capital W.
Okay, try again. Make sure the caps lock light is off on your keyboard.
Oh, the caps lock was on. I will turn it off.
Good catch. Try one more time.
Big W, ELCOM 123. Enter.
It worked. I am on the desktop now. Great. Now we can set up your email. Do you see the blue icon?
The blue icon with the letter O?
Yes, that is Outlook. That is our email program. Click on it twice.
Okay, double click. It is opening.
It will ask for your email address.
Is my email address the same as my username?
Almost. It is your username plus @company.com.
Okay, I will type tom.smith@company.com.
Perfect. Then click Next.
It is asking for the password again. Is it the same password?
Yes, use the same password you just used.
Okay, typing it in now.
It might take a minute to load your emails.
It is loading. Okay, I see it. I have an empty inbox.
That is good. An empty inbox is a clean start.
Wait, I see one email. It is from the boss.
That is probably a welcome email. You should open it.
How do I open it?
Just click on the email one time. You will see the message on the right side.
I see it. It says, "Welcome to the team, Tom."
That is nice. Now you are connected. You can send and receive emails.
This setup was easy with your help. Thank you, Linda.
No problem. Next, we need to connect you to the office printer.
Oh, do I need to install a driver?
No, it is easier than that. I will show you. Okay, Tom, let's find the printer. Go to the Start menu.
The Start menu is the Windows icon in the corner, right?
Yes, click that. Now type the word printers.
Okay, PRINTERS. I see printers and scanners.
Click on that. It will open the settings page.
I see it. There is a button that says Add a printer or scanner.
Click that button. It will search for machines nearby.
It is searching. Okay, I see a list. There are 3 printers here.
You need to choose the one named Office Main Floor 2.
I see Office Main Floor 1 and Office Main Floor 2. I will click the second one.
Correct. That is the big printer in the hallway.
I clicked it. Now it says Connecting.
It takes a few seconds to install.
Okay, it says ready. Is that all?
Yes, that was fast. Let's test it. Open a document.
I have a blank Word document here. I will type test.
Now go to File and then Print.
File, print. I see the printer name Office Main Floor 2.
Click the big Print button.
Click.
Do you hear that sound?
Yes, I hear a machine working outside.
That is your page printing. You are connected.
That is great. I will get the paper later. What about the internet?
Your computer is connected with a blue cable. The cable is very fast.
Ah, I see the blue cable in the back. What about my phone? Can I use Wi-Fi?
Yes, you can. We have a Wi-Fi network for employees.
What is the network name?
Look on your phone settings. Do you see Office Secure?
Yes, I see Office Secure and Office Guest.
Do not use Guest. Use Secure. It is faster.
Okay, I tap on Office Secure. It needs a password.
The password is a bit long. Do you want to write it down?
Yes, let me grab my pen. Okay, I am ready.
The password is Work Hard 2025.
Is that with a space?
No spaces. Work with a big W, hard with a big H, then the number 2025.
And at the end?
An exclamation mark.
Okay, let me type it. WORKHARD 2025 exclamation mark. Join.
Is it connecting?
It is spinning. Yes, I have the Wi-Fi symbol now.
Great! Now your phone and your computer are both ready.
I feel much better now. I was worried about the technology.
Don't worry. Setting up is always the hardest part of the first week.
What should I do next? I have my email and printer ready.
Now we need to set up your profile on the company chat app.
Is that different from email?
Yes, email is for formal messages. The chat app is for quick questions. Now, look for the green icon on your desktop. It is called Team Chat.
I see the green icon. I am clicking it now.
This app is for quick messages. Email is slow. Team Chat is fast.
Do I need to log in again?
Usually, it logs in automatically. What do you see?
I see my name, Tom Smith, at the top, and I see a list on the left.
Good. You are logged in. The list on the left shows channels.
What is a channel?
A channel is a group chat. We have a channel for general and a channel for sales.
I see them. Should I click on General?
Yes, click General. This is where everyone says good morning or shares big news.
I see a lot of messages here. It looks busy.
Yes, it is very active. Now, look at the top right corner. Do you see a gray circle?
Yes, it has my initials, TS.
That is your profile. We need to change that gray circle to a photo.
A photo? Do I really need a photo?
Yes, it is important. We work with many people remotely. They need to see your face.
But I do not have any photos on this new computer. The computer is empty.
Do you have a professional photo on your phone?
I think so. I have a nice photo from my LinkedIn profile.
Perfect. Send that photo from your phone to your work email.
Okay, I am doing it on my phone now. Send to tom.smith@company.com. Sent.
Now, check your computer email again.
I see the email. It has the photo attached.
Download the photo to your Pictures folder.
Right-click, Save Image As, My Office Photo. Saved.
Great. Now go back to the Team Chat app. Click the gray circle.
I clicked it. I see a menu.
Select Edit Profile or Change Picture.
I see Change Picture. I will click Upload.
Find the photo you just saved.
Pictures, My Office Photo, Open.
How does it look?
It is a little bit big.
You can zoom out. Use the slider at the bottom.
Okay, zooming out, centering my face. There. How is that?
That looks very professional. You look friendly in that picture.
Thank you. I will click Save.
Now everyone can see who you are.
I see my face in the corner now. No more gray circle.
Excellent. Now you are fully set up. You have email, printer, internet, and chat.
I feel like a real employee now.
You are. Now, there is one last important thing to do before you start your actual work.
What is that? Is it more software?
No, it is about your email signature.
So, what is an email signature? Do I need to sign my name with a pen?
No pen is needed. A signature is text that appears at the bottom of every email automatically.
Ah, I understand. Like a digital business card.
Exactly. It shows your name, your job title, and your phone number.
That is useful. How do I make one?
Go back to Outlook, click on File, and then Options.
Okay, File, Options. A new window popped up.
Click on Mail on the left, then look for a button that says Signatures.
I found it. Create or modify signatures. I will click New.
Type a name for this signature. You can just type Work.
Okay, work. Now I have a blank box to type in. What should I write?
First line, your full name.
Tom space SMITH.
Second line, your job title. You are a sales assistant.
SALESASISTANT.
Third line, the company name.
Global Tech Solutions.
Fourth line, the office phone number and your extension.
What is my extension?
Your extension is 204, so type TEL 555-0199 XT204.
Okay, I typed it all. It looks neat.
You can make your name bold if you want.
Good idea. I will highlight Tom Smith and click the B button. Now it is bold.
Perfect. Click OK to save it and click OK again to close the options.
Is it done?
Let's test it. Click New Email.
Clicking New Email. Wow, my name and information are already there at the bottom.
It looks very professional, Tom. Now you are officially ready to communicate.
I feel organized. Thank you so much for your help, Linda. I took a lot of your time.
It is my pleasure. I remember my first week. It is a lot to learn.
I am ready to work now. What is my first task?
Your first task is simple. Send me an email to test your new signature.
I can do that.
And after that, it is 12 p.m.
Is it lunchtime?
Yes, let's go to the cafeteria. I will introduce you to the rest of the team.
That sounds great. I am hungry. Let's go.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. We hope you learned some useful vocabulary for the office today. Remember to practice these words: username, password, login, and signature. See you in the next episode.